what's going on, welcome back to the channel. In this video we have some new models that has been introduced by a model company or a bunch of model companies at a fair in across the seas, and let's go ahead and show you some of those models in this video. Alright, so we're going to start off with Tamiya. Tamiya has introduced one model, and it is going to be a new Toyota Supra. This is a GR Toyota Supra. This is basically a TRD Supra. This is more upgraded and tuned up version from the basic one they had before. So very cool. Next is AMT. AMT introduced one model, and it is going to be a new ramp truck. Well, not really new, but it is just a Coca-Cola version of the truck that we already have, which is the ramp wedge, which is very cool. So just Coca-Cola version, but just basically the same kit that we had out before, but very cool. Next is ICM Model Company, and they introduced two new models, and it is old-timer Fords, which is pretty cool. These old Fords are really classic and very cool to bring out a bunch of these. This one is a 3-in-1 looks like, and this one is very cool. And yeah, very cool. We got some new old 30 Fords coming out. Alright, next one up is DModelkits, and we have a new rally car coming out from them, which is pretty cool. And we got another Ford rally car, so very cool to have another rally car kit come out in the future. Next up, Italeri. They have quite a few models. They have two semi-trucks, a rally car and an old-timer. First up, we got a European semi-truck. We got two of these. We got this one, and we got another Mercedes-Benz Actros. And next up, we got another rally car, very cool. And then next up, we have another old timer race car, which is very, very neat. This was like an old Bugatti. That's very cool. Next is Hasegawa. Hasegawa has introduced a lot of model kits at this show, and I'm not going to say all of these. I'm going to have you look at the pictures, but there is quite a few models. So enjoy. Hasegawa was one of the big companies there that introduced a lot of models. So really cool. Last but certainly not the least, but is Revell. Revell introduced quite a few models, and the first things first is a new Mustang. This is a 2024 Ford Mustang GT. Really cool. We got another Ford, and this is out on the new body style. Really cool, so happy to see that one. Next one is the BMW M3. This is a really cool kit. I've been wanting this one for a while. It's awesome. Revell's bringing it back out, so really cool. Next one is the Bugatti EB10, where the heck it is. Really cool. This one's coming back out. And also we have another Mercedes-Benz. Revell is bringing this kit back out. Super cool. We do have another Porsche coming back out. I believe this is the same. This is the 50th anniversary version, so this is a little bit different, but I believe it's basically almost the same kit. We have another Mustang. This is a Shelby GT350R. Really cool. This is coming back out. Been wanting this kit for a while, but crazy places. We have another Volkswagen coming out as well. Revell loves their Volkswagens, so of course you're gonna have at least one Volkswagen come out each year. Then last but certainly not the least is a new McLaren. This is a McLaren 750S. This is a really cool kit. Revell already has a McLaren kit out, but it's really cool. They're bringing another one out. Wicked cool. So I'm really happy to see this one come out, and this is definitely getting built up on the channel one of these days as soon as it comes out. So I won't expect these models to come out until like late 2025, maybe early 2026, who knows, depends how good production goes. But this is a really cool kit. I'm really happy to get my hands on them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which model you make the most. Again, I'm looking forward to a lot of them, and Hasegawa and Revell was the big companies there, and they introduced a lot of models, so looking forward to it. But alright guys, that's it for this channel, for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch you next time.